The 5 deadliest planets in the universe. Deadly planets are ready to kill any creature that stands too close or tries to thrive on it. Most of the planets on this list aren't just too hot or cold. They have more horrific conditions that will never support life. 5. OGLE205b LG390LB. OGLE205b LG390LB is a rocky exoplanet with a very thin atmosphere, located in the middle of the Milky Way. All 3 factors led astronomers to suspect that it may contain life when discovered. However, they now believe that this is not due to the super low temperature of the exoplanet. The surface temperature in OGLE205b LG390LB is approximately minus 220 degrees Celsius, 364 F, which is too low to support life as we know it. For comparison, by some accounts, the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth is minus 97 degrees Celsius, 144 F. The temperature was recorded in an icy cold Antarctic region that has never seen sunlight. 4. TRES-B is the darkest planet out there. It is so black that the charcoal will appear lighter if they are both placed side by side. TRES-B is the size of Jupiter and is located 750 light-years away. In the constellation Draco, its star is GSC 03549028111, which is almost like our Sun. TRES-B is black because its atmosphere absorbs 99% of the light it receives from the Sun. Astronomers believe that the exoplanet reflects very little light because its atmosphere is filled with vaporized sodium and potassium or gaseous titanium oxide. However, being black doesn't mean the exoplanet is cool. In fact, atmospheric temperatures reach over 980 degrees 800 F. This extremely high temperature causes parts of the exoplanet to emit a red glow, like burning coal or electric stove coils. Astronomers also suspect that the exoplanet is so close to its star that they are both tidally locked. 3. OGLE-TR56b. Planet OGLE-TR56b is located in the constellation Sagittarius, 5,000 light-years away from Earth, one of the hot Jupiters we mentioned earlier. Hot Jupiters are generally located further away in star systems and then move closer to their stars. Planet OGLE-TR56b is already very close to its star, so close that a year lasts 29 hours, and the exoplanet's surface temperature reaches 2,000 kelvins. There, the clouds are not made of water, but of vaporized iron. Rain falls to the ground like hot liquid iron. 2. Venus. Deadly planets don't just exist outside our solar system. There's one lurking nearby. Without a doubt, Venus is the deadliest planet in our solar system, thanks to its sulfur dioxide-rich clouds. These clouds prevent useful sunlight from reaching the planet's surface and prevent deadly carbon dioxide from leaving the atmosphere. The surface of Venus is full of volcanoes that emit large amounts of heat and carbon dioxide. The large accumulation of carbon dioxide makes Venus toxic to humans. Thick clouds also trap heat and gas, making the planet deadly. Temperatures reach a hostile 467 degrees Celsius, 872 F. High temperatures remain constant all over the planet. Even at the poles, other hot planets are cooler at the poles. Venus also maintains this high temperature every day of the year. Even the nights are as hot as the days. Researchers thought Venus would be similar to Mercury if it didn't have these clouds. Interestingly, it also rains and snows on Venus. Although it is quite different from what occurs on Earth, snow is not liquid, but consists of the metals kaolin and bismuthanide. Precipitation consists of deadly sulfuric acid. However, the high temperature on the planet means that rain never touches the ground. Instead, it evaporates midway to form another cloud. 1. Proxima b. Proxima b looked promising when it was discovered. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star 4.24 light-years from Earth. The exoplanet has been of interest to astronomers who think it has water and Earth-like properties. However, astronomers later discovered that they were wrong. Proxima b is so close to Proxima Centauri that the exoplanet completes an orbit in 11.2 days. It is also tidally locked, leaving one side deathly hot and the other deathly cold and frozen. There is a middle ground between the two that is milder. However, this region is unlikely to support life due to Proxima Centauri, as we mentioned before. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf. One characteristic of such stars is their tendency to unleash solar flares every 2 to 3 months that attack planets orbiting the star. These flares destroy planets' ozone layers, making them susceptible to ultraviolet rays from stars. On March 24, 2017, we saw Proxima Centauri's solar flare towards exoplanet Proxima b. The flare was so intense that within 10 seconds, the star became 1,000 times brighter. Proxima b received 4,000 times the radiation from solar flares to Earth. This is bad for everything living on the exoplanet.